This is Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. So what I'm simply going to do is just show you now what happens sometimes on the valves. So we've come to this machine, the machine has got a stutter on it, you can feel it running through the lance itself. So we've taken all the valves out of the head. So now you'll see there's two missing, and what we're going to do is going to go inside and show you how to test a valve and find out if that valve is faulty. Now what I've done is turn a tap on, it's trickling. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill this valve up with water. Now as you can see, the water is holding inside that valve, so that is a good valve. So if we fill it up, you will see the valve itself has got water in it, it's holding water. If we go to this other valve, and what we'll do is fill it with water, and we'll fill it with water, and what's happening is the water's running straight through that valve, it's not holding water. That is the best way, one of the easiest ways of testing the valve. As you can see, the water's not holding in there, that means that that valve is faulty. So what can happen is, obviously you can see all this pitting on here. The valve seat itself could be all pitted, or it could just simply be dirt that's underneath the seat, sitting underneath here. So as you look, you'll see the stainless steel seat. We'll try and compress it first of all and see what's happening before we put new valves in, but it could be just as simple as putting an airline onto it, blowing it through, getting any dirt that's sitting underneath this seat. So I'm just doing it with me now, and we'll try it again. It's still running through. You can see which corner it's in. If you see, there's some grit, most probably, underneath this seat. So what we'll do is compress it, put it under a compressor and see what happens. So when we're looking closer at this valve, the spring itself has broken inside the actual valve, so that spring has gone somewhere as well, but the spring is broken, so what it's not doing is hold itself in place, so that valve is knackered. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.